Assalamu alaikum students, this is history lecture for 6th class of 3rd. Today's our topic is Buddhism, and this is the story of Buddhism.
Born in 563 BC into the warrior caste, he lived in luxury in his family's palaces and never experienced pain, suffering, or death. He married a beautiful woman and they had a son. One day while riding in his chariot outside the palace walls, Gautama saw a sick man, an old man, and a dead man. He realized that life was an endless cycle of pain and that the only way to escape that cycle was to seek wisdom. He left his family when he was about 29 and became a homeless wanderer with 5 other men who were also seeking wisdom. Gautama tried to find wisdom through physical suffering and harsh discipline, but instead he gained only pain at last. After days of meditating deeply in the shade of a tree, Gautama felt that the truth had come to him. At this point, he became known as the Enlightened One, or Buddha. First noble truth: everything in life is suffering and sorrow. Second noble truth: the cause of all this pain is people's self-centered cravings and desires. People seek pleasure that cannot last and that leads only to rebirth and more suffering. Third noble truth: the way to end all pain is to end all desires. Fourth noble truth: people can overcome their desires and attain enlightenment by following the Eightfold Path. Right knowledge, right purpose, right speech, right action, right living, right effort, right mindfulness, and right meditation. By following the Eightfold Path, anyone could attain nirvana, which was the release from all pain and suffering. Buddha taught his followers to treat all living things, humans, animals, and even insects, with kindness and love. Buddha eliminated the caste system, the rituals associated with Hinduism, and the ancient language, Sanskrit, of the Vedas and Upanishads concerned with all human beings, women as well as men, and low-born as well as high-born. Primarily a monastic religion, young men leave their families to become monks dedicated to the Eightfold Path and achieving enlightenment, and, eventually, nirvana. The most important symbol in Buddhism is the Wheel of Life, which depicts the cycle of birth and life. The 8 spokes symbolize the Eightfold Path. Buddha's teachings and beliefs were recorded in a collection called the Tripitaka.